Hello and welcome to English Audio Lab. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We are so glad you are here to learn with us today.
In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very common topic, daily problems.
That's right. We all have small problems in our everyday lives, things that don't go as planned. So, how do we talk about them in English?
Exactly. We will teach you some useful and simple phrases. We will practice them together so you can feel more confident speaking English.
Ready to start? Let's begin.
All right, Alicia, let's talk about some common daily problems. What's something that happened to you recently?
Oh, just this morning, I almost missed my bus. I had to run to catch it. I was so worried I would be late for our recording.
That is a very common problem. A great phrase to use in that situation is, I'm running late.
I'm running late, so it doesn't mean I am physically running.
Good question. It can mean that, but here it means you don't have enough time. You might be late for something important, like work or a meeting.
That makes sense. So I could text my friend and say, sorry, I'm running late.
Perfect. Let's practice that. To our listeners, please repeat after me. I'm running late. One more time. I'm running late.
Great. Now let's hear it in a small conversation.
Imagine you're calling your friend. Your friend says, Hey, where are you? You can say,
Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm running late. The traffic is terrible.
Excellent. Okay, another common problem. This happens to me all the time. I put my keys down and then I can't find them.
Oh, yes, or your phone or your wallet. So you can say, I can't find my keys.
That's the phrase. I can't find my, and then you say the object. It's simple and very useful.
So if I am looking for my glasses, I can say, I can't find my glasses.
You got it. Listeners, let's practice this one. Repeat after me. I can't find my keys. Now with a different object. I can't find my phone.
And here's a mini dialogue. Imagine you're at home with family.
You could ask, Have you seen my wallet? And they might say, No, I haven't. Then you can say,
Oh no, I can't find my wallet anywhere.
Very good. Now for a modern problem, technology.
Yes, like when the Wi Fi stops working.
Exactly. A simple phrase for this is, It's not working. You can use this for many things.
So I can say, my computer is not working, or the coffee machine is not working.
Yes. Another related phrase is, The internet is down, or The internet is slow.
I use my internet is so slow almost every day.
Let's practice these. First, repeat after me. My computer is not working. Again, my computer is not working.
Now let's practice the other one. Repeat after Trevor. The internet is so slow. Again, the internet is so slow.
Great job. Those are some good phrases for stating the problem.
Okay, Trevor, so we can say what the problem is, but what about our feelings? Sometimes these small problems make us feel, annoyed.
An excellent point, Alicia. Expressing your feelings is important. A simple way to do this is to say, It's so frustrating.
Frustrating. What does that mean exactly?
Frustrating is the feeling you get when you want to do something, but you can't. Something is blocking you. Like when your internet is slow and you have work to do. That is frustrating.
I see. So I can say, I can't find my keys. It's so frustrating.
Perfect use. Let's have our listeners practice. Repeat after me. It's so frustrating. Again, it's so frustrating.
Another good word is annoying. For example, a loud noise when you are trying to sleep is annoying.
Yes, annoying is for things that bother you, especially when they happen again and again. You can say, This noise is so annoying, or It's so annoying when the bus is late.
Okay, let's practice that one. Repeat after me. That's so annoying. One more time. That's so annoying.
Very good. There is one more phrase that is a bit more informal but very common. What a hassle.
Hassle. How do you spell that?
Hassle. A hassle is a situation that is annoying because it involves doing something difficult or complicated that you don't want to do.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine you buy something, but it's broken. You have to go back to the store, wait in line, and return it. The whole process is a hassle.
Okay, so you can just say, what a hassle.
Exactly. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. What a hassle. Again, what a hassle.
Let's try a quick dialogue. Trevor, imagine you're stuck in traffic. What would you say?
I would say, ugh, this traffic is not moving at all. It's so frustrating. I'm going to be running late.
You used two of our phrases. Very good.
Okay, so we know how to state a problem and how to express our feelings about the problem. But what if we need help?
That's a great question. How can we ask for help politely?
A very polite and useful way is to ask, could you help me with something?
Could you help me with something? That sounds very nice and formal.
It is. It's great for talking to people you don't know well or in a professional setting. A more casual, friendly way to ask is, can you give me a hand?
Give me a hand? Like my hand?
No, it's an idiom. To give someone a hand means to help them. You would use it with friends, family, or colleagues you know well.
I like that. Can you give me a hand?
Let's practice asking for help. First, the polite version. Repeat after me. Could you help me, please? Again, could you help me, please?
Now for the friendly, casual version. Repeat after me. Can you give me a hand? One more time. Can you give me a hand?
Now, on the other side, it's also important to know how to offer help to someone.
Yes. What can we say if we see someone having a problem?
A simple and kind way to ask is, do you need some help? Another great option is, let me help you with that.
Those both sound very friendly.
They are. Let's practice offering help. Repeat after me. Do you need some help? Now, the other phrase, let me help you with that.
Let's put it all together in a final dialogue. Imagine I am trying to open a jar, but it's stuck. It's a classic daily problem.
Okay, I see you struggling with a jar. I would come over and say, do you need some help?
I would reply, yes, please, I can't open this jar. It's so frustrating.
And I can say, let me help you with that. Sometimes they are difficult.
Thank you so much. See? A simple problem, a simple conversation. That was a great example of helping each other with physical tasks. But what about problems in communication, Trevor? For instance, when we make a mistake while speaking or writing.
An excellent topic, Alicia. It's a very common source of anxiety for language learners. A simple and direct way to admit a mistake is to say, I made a mistake, or more informally, I messed up. That was a great practice session. We have learned some very useful phrases today.
I messed up. That sounds a bit strong. Is it for big mistakes? Yes, we have. Let's do a quick summary.
First, we learned how to state a problem. Phrases like, I'm running late, I can't find my, and it's not working.
Then we learned how to express our feelings about the problem, using words like, it's so frustrating, that's so annoying, and what a hassle.
And finally, we practiced asking for and offering help with phrases like, could you help me? And do you need some help?
The best way to remember these is to use them. Try to use one of these phrases today or this week, even if you just say it to yourself.
That is wonderful advice, Alicia. Practice is the key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That is how we learn.
Thank you all so much for listening and practicing with us at English Audio Lab.
We hope this lesson was helpful. Keep up the great work with your English learning. Until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.